Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super early in the morning, but I'm very excited. It's the end of May and in 2 or 3 days our worker will be at our house. We are renovating our house and I can't wait to start. It's not the one where I'm filming right now. Excuse my puffy eyes, but I woke up early and here is Lily trying to say hello to all of you. She's excited also. Yeah, we are renovating it completely. We are changing our bedroom, our kitchen. We are changing the electricity in it. We are changing a lot of stuff and it will be a long journey, but I want to take you with us on this gorgeous journey. I can wait. I'm super excited. We've waited, me and my husband, we waited a long time to do this renovation, but we couldn't find the workers, the good workers for it. So now we are super excited to start, and I'm going to be taking you now inside to see the before, because the before is a full place. I had some helpers help me to put everything away because there is still a lot of stuff in the house and we need to take it out so that the workers could do their job. And we had a lot of things to move, and I'm sure we will still do in the future, but I will show you now some of the before and also some of the work it's been done already. I hope you enjoyed. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to see the whole journey until we move. And let's go. So this is the kitchen. As you can see, it's huge and also very tall. We have big windows right here. Here will be the cooking area. As you can see, it's fully loaded. And here will be our pantry, also very nicely illuminated. So we still have here some furniture, but it's very pretty. And this will be outside on the terrace. We will take this on the terrace. All of this will fall off. And here is a small bedroom. This will be remodeled. This is the master bedroom, also very long and very huge. And here it will be like a lounge area or a living room, a mini living room, because it's a little bit narrow, the space, but it will be remodeled, everything. And here will be another small entry room, like dust room or how you call it. This one's the biggest room in the house, also with tall windows. I love this accessory here. So yeah, here we have another room, also very tall. And here is the third room, also very big and tall. And here is the hallway, and the door will be changed. Here are some construction stuff. So yeah, and here is our garden. As you can see, it's full of weeds. Full of weeds, but also of nice honey flowers. Full of weeds. But I'm waiting for the gardener to come. Here I did some cleaning myself, but this one is dead. Here my husband cleaned up, as you can see, but It needs also to be redone here, and here we didn't get the chance to clean up, but look at all those weeds. And here I have a lot of succulents. I think this one wants to flower, but it has a lot of offsets, so yeah, definitely will flower, this one. And here I have my ginkgo biloba tree, but I don't know what is going on with it. We had some hail yesterday, so maybe that's what happened to it, or it got sunburned, I don't know. And look at my roses, so pretty. Also it has, look, someone is sleeping, but we had 4 today here, 4 in this rose only, and the other one moved here, look. I love them. Here we have other roses and also some birds, as you can hear. And here we have a apricot tree and a sour cherry tree. So yeah, this needs a redone. Look how beautiful is this wild rose. It's stunning. Here is the terrace. This one will also be remodeled, of course, but for now it's full of stuff. So the base is up. The first layer of bricks are set. Perfect. And here are the rest. So beauties, I hope you enjoyed this first video of the series of the house reno. If you're doing also a house renovation this year, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have some useful tips, please also share it with me and all the community. And as I've said in the beginning, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe for more. Take care and stay healthy. Bye bye!